kind words and explaining about Swasth Mahila Swasth Bharat initiative that we're doing together. This is something that we're doing for a second time. Obviously, you explained in length the reason why we're here. Congratulations on your 10 years in your industry. Hopefully many big things are coming for you, for us together. I think it's also been 11 years for UECAN Foundation in trying to do something out there for people. I think congratulations to my team as well for this initiative and all my doctors and my team who are present here. And I think I can, as Murli said, Xiaomi has done some great things the last 10 years, and hopefully we can also make a difference in society by doing something great like you. I have a few pointers that what we have done in our last 10 years. I mean, if you look at the impact that UECAN has created, we have more than 4 lakh women educated about breast cancer. We've had treatment of more than 350 children battling cancer. We've had more than 650 scholarships given to cancer recovery children. As Murli said, Xiaomi was our first partners to do that. And we have provided more than 1,000 beds, critical care beds during COVID. And we also distributed 1 million hygiene kits distributed at the same time. This time around we have come together to support breast cancer through the Swasth Mahila Swasth Bharat initiative. As you saw the stats, in India a woman dies of breast cancer every 8 minutes. Only 9 out of 100 women in India have ever been screened. In rural areas, there's a lack of awareness and there are many stigmas attached to screening. Many women discover breast cancer too late. Early detection can save lives. Solution: Swasth Mahila Swasth Bharat initiative is Xiaomi India to reach 1.5 lakh women across 15 states of India. We plan to complete the target in the next 12 months. Our goal is to empower women with knowledge and early detection tools. Well, here's what I read. I'm not much of a guy who talks from the paper. I'm someone who talks from the heart. I think I don't want to talk about my journey over here, what happened to me and how I recovered and all that. I'm sure a lot of people, about a little bit of my journey, but I think why we're here today is to make a difference to the society. We are in a very good position to help others, right? The challenges that we face as people every day, it's hard to talk about these challenges, but when it comes to society, we need to talk about them. Swasth Mahila initiative is important because it could be a mother, it could be a sister, it could be a daughter, who's struggling with breast cancer or many other cancer forms. If in your family someone's going through it and someone you will definitely stand up. But a lot of people don't stand up because some people's lives are going hunky and dory. I just feel that as people, we need to talk about these issues. We need to address them. What is close to you in society. But the point is that we talk a lot. Xiaomi, we spoke, they did it. They got up and did it. UECAN, we try and do it every day. But the point is that there has to be more work and less talking in the society. my message to media is that who are people who are going to be listening to this is get up and do something about it. If you have something close to, I'm not talking about just cancer, I'm just not talking about, yes, we have here for this initiative today, but my urge is to people out there is to get up and do something in society, what is close to them, whether it's any cause, whether it's cancer, whether it's polio or any other form, anything that is defeating the society, help the society if you are in that position. And that's one reason why I want to be here is to address that issue. But the main reason why I'm here is that is because of my foundation and Xiaomi supporting us. Hopefully we can do bigger things in the future. And the key issue here is that early detection. I think I was someone who was running away from it because I just didn't want to lose my spot in Indian cricket, and that's why I kept running away from it. So probably not the right message out there, but it's really important that if we have an issue, we go and address it. We don't hang back. You get scared. You feel what's going to happen to my life, but I'm sure there's a lot of good support out there. There are good doctors. They're good people. Talk to your family, talk to your friends, because early detection is key, and don't be scared. It's hard. It's going to test you, but the point is that you have to come out of it, and you don't have a choice. Cancer cannot defeat you. That's the mindset you need to have. And that's the mindset, that's the reason why I'm standing here in front of you. So thank you, Murli, thank you, Xiaomi, for your support. And hopefully we can do some bigger things in the future. Thank you all for coming here.
Now we have a fireside chat organized where you guys just talk a bit more candid approach to the entire event. Would like to request the chairs and table as well here, and then we can get started.
Yes, fine.
थोड़ा पीछे पीछे आओ ना, जूम करो दोस्त। चलो कोई नहीं, बैठ के होगा।
About how this foundation came about.
I think if I look back when I was getting treated, the motivation straight away came back that I definitely want to go back and do something for society. We started looking at the numbers. I had some friends and family over there, connected with some people in Indianapolis when I was in America, and say let's see what we can do back home, right? And then we were talking to Lance Armstrong's foundation in America, and we got some ideas what they do for their foundation. And I think from Yuvraj Singh Foundation, I think UE Can was something came very naturally. UE is my name as well. Everybody calls me that, and I think you and we together means that together we can fight cancer. You cannot win something alone, I believe. Whether it's a championship, whether it's battling cancer, you need good people around you. And you need people to put that positivity in you that you can do this. So that's why the whole meaning of you, we together can fight. If you and we are together, we can fight any obstacle, I feel. That's how the name came.
Perfect name, couldn't think of a better one. So, while cancer itself is something which has certain stigma attached to it, I think with breast cancer it's a little bit more extreme. What has the work that's been done till date, and how do you think our initiative, Swasth Mahila Swasth Bharat, can make a difference?
If I go back a little bit, when I think my Nani had breast cancer, my Masi, my mother's sister, had breast cancer twice. And the point is that I have seen them suffer. I have suffered myself. cancer is around, can happen to anyone. Everybody has 1% cancer cells in their body. At any time that could go wrong. You know, that's the fact and reality of life, which as humans we run away from. We run away from reality. I think since I came back, I think it was a big moment for me to live in reality, to be fighting cancer. It got me back to reality. This can happen to anyone. When we talk about Swasth Mahila, Swasth Bharat, you know, they always say that it's very important for a household that my mother is happy, my wife's happy, my sister's happy. That's why, but the point is that if your health is good, everything is good. If you have health, you have wealth. If you don't have health, your wealth cannot support you much. Your health is your wealth. So when we talk about Swasth Mahila, Swasth Bharat means if our woman is good, if our woman is happy, she's healthy, everything is good.
Yes.
Swasth Mahila, Swasth Bharat campaign, you know, a lot of women listening out there is that I know how it feels. I know it can scare you. When it scares you, you don't want to go for a test. You think about, you know, when you look at below poverty line, you think about what if I get tested? How will I get the funds to get treated? I mean, that was initially our struggle with the foundation. But thanks to you, you know, we've overcome that and we can, you know, go out there and treat a lot of people. And it's just that I know it's scary, I know it's hard, but the point is that it's important that people who love you and who are around you, they deserve your happiness, and we want you to get better. It's not only because it is your life also is our life. So, you know, as I said before, like it's your mother or it's your sister or it's your daughter, you want to make sure that they are going to get better. You want to put that positivity in them that we are there for you and you are going to get through this, and you know, just positive thoughts, positive moments, just getting them to, you know, understand that you're going to overcome this. I think words have a lot of power. I think words can really motivate us. So you need to motivate whoever is going through adversity, and trust you, words can move the world. So I think we're here for you. Xiaomi, we will partner together for this big initiative, but every life is important to us and every Mahila is important to us. That's why we're here.
Yes, sir.
बैठ जाएंगे नीचे आके
हाँ ये हाँ ये सही हुआ ये बढ़िया भैया आगे लग गया
ये ले भाई आगे बस
बाजी साइड साइड
वाइट नहीं आया भाई अरे कितना आ रहा उतना अब क्या हुआ
आइए
बाजी साइड
अभी बनवा लेंगे रखो ना You sir? क्या?
Guys, can we say Xiaomi once? Xiaomi. 1, 2, 3, go. Xiaomi.
दे दे दो सर सेल्फी ले लो करवा दी
यस गुड सर थैंक यू भाजी फेस आपका भी आना चाहिए या थोड़ा सा हाइट
आगे से जाओ नीचे रखो भैया आगे से जाओ आप
यू भाजी थोड़ा सा थैंक यू या
बाजी फोन नीचे रखना थोड़ा
अब ले लो
आपको व्हाट्सएप नाइस कैमरा मैन मैं वैसे सबके साथ नहीं